Hey everybody, and welcome to the unboxing of Keyforge Call of the Archons. Let's look what's inside. So here we have a nice catalog of fantasy flight games. Quick start, don't know what it is. Guess we'll find out later. Nice Keyforge quick start manual, how to start the game, how to win the game, how to play the game. Nice. Alright, here we go. Some nice tokens. And of course, the cards. Tilly of Portal Run Maze. Alright. Arise. Nice artwork on this one. Fear. Alright. Look on the other side. We have some other cards. Plus one power. Stun. And here, Tilly of Portal Run Maze. Here we go. Alright, yep, looks alright. That is one of the unique decks you get with this game. Alright, here's the other unique deck, I guess. Nisrado, the Executioner of Knots. Alright. Whatever that means. Duskrunner, Umbra. Another nice little deck. Apparently there is none other like this. Alright. And here are the two decks that everybody gets. Miss Onyx Censorious and Radiant Argus the Supreme. Alright. Witch of the Eye, Hunting Witch. Well, I guess I have some finding out of the rules to do. Get back to you with how to play the game.